Hi, everyone. My name is Elizabeth Richardson. I'm a public health physician and a medical officer of health for the city of Hamilton. For me, the courage of COVID is the people. I am fortunate to get to hear all kinds of stories about people who've made a difference, from the grocery store workers to the pharmacy assistants who are helping to support people in our community, from the nurses and personal service workers who are working to support people in our hospitals and in our long-term, sometimes in really difficult circumstances. And from the public health nurses, the public health inspectors, the epidemiologists that I work with every day, the hospital leaders, the family doctors, the paramedics, everybody just coming together to do the very best they can to protect Hamiltonians, to serve Hamiltonians, and to save lives here. They are inspiring, they are committed, they are dedicated, and they inspire me every day.
My name is Karen Trollope-kumar. I'm a family physician and the medical director of Body Brave, a Hamilton-based organization focused on providing support and treatment for people struggling with eating disorders. The courage of COVID is in creating connection. Throughout the pandemic, I'm inspired by the courage of those who've reached out to Body Brave for help and by the commitment of our small clinical team. People struggling with eating disorders have been badly affected by the stresses of the pandemic, yet when they reach out for help, they show such determination to recover, and they offer such great support for others who are also facing these devastating illnesses.
Hello, my name is Kathleen Leach and I am the pharmacist owner at Sutherland's Pharmacy. The courage of COVID to me is meeting the challenges of serving my patients' needs while managing the risks to keep them safe. Throughout the pandemic, I have been inspired by my pharmacist colleagues all over the country who freely shared their innovations and expertise. I am also inspired by my patients who have placed their trust in me.
Hi, my name is Andrea Pohl. I'm the Director of Services for Seniors for Halton Region. The courage of COVID to me is our ability to unite to achieve a common goal. And what motivates me is my team. I look at their dedication and effort, and you can't help but feel motivated. Navigating this pandemic is not a lone effort. It takes a team.
Hi, my name is Madison Brydges and I'm a primary care paramedic at Halton Region Paramedic Service. For me, the courage of COVID is collaboration. And if there's something that I've learned the most during the pandemic is the importance of working together and listening to other people to help us make solutions that consider everybody's well-being and perspectives.
Hi, I'm Dr. Cheryl Van Der Mark, chiropractor and clinic director at Waterdown Village Chiropractic and Wellness Group. The courage of COVID to me is self-sacrifice for the health and well-being of others. My motivation to continue my work and contribution during the pandemic has been my patients in pain. Never for a moment did I consider closing my doors to my EMS patients, to my many nurses, and to my long-term care workers who they themselves were injured or in pain so that they could continue to do the very important work that they have to do.
The courage of COVID is continuing to reach out to each other with compassion and generosity, even if that looks different than it used to.
I'm Heather Harvey, a health promotion specialist and registered dietitian at the City of Hamilton Public Health Services. I'm currently deployed to our COVID response as a team lead on our COVID-19 hotline. To me, the courage of COVID is showing resiliency in the face of extreme change and uncertainty. What has inspired me most throughout the pandemic are my public health colleagues. No matter how long or difficult the days are, they approach their work and clients with empathy, integrity, and professionalism that is unmatched.
I'm Sarah Kahn, and I'm a pediatric infectious diseases physician and the Associate Medical Director for Infection Prevention and Control at Hamilton Health Sciences. The courage of COVID is being willing to face the unknown, accept the fear and anxiety, and try to make rational, evidence-based decisions. What has inspired me throughout this pandemic is seeing the community come together to protect our most vulnerable, to support each other, to accept some degree of risk in the service of others. Has there been instances of human nature or anxiety creating fear and panic? Unfortunately, yes, but the overwhelming majority of response has been to accept the hardships of this new normal every day to ensure we have a safer tomorrow for everyone. It's what keeps me motivated each day.
I'm Vanessa Jarusauskas, and I'm a recreation team member at the Village of Wentworth Heights Retirement Long-Term Care Home. The courage of COVID is standing in front of the disease, coming to work knowing that you'll make a difference. What motivated me to come to work throughout this pandemic are my residents. Knowing that they won't be able to see their friends and family breaks my heart. The least I can do is come to work and cheer them up, be a listening ear, play them some music, make them laugh, and help them through these difficult times by doing video calls to connect them to their friends and family.